Welcome to Joe's Garage. Today we are busy with the Superperformance Grand Sport, which is licensed by GM. This customer has asked us for an LS9. We put that in. We've just finished the headers on the cars. Today we're going to put in the dry sump tank, which we custom made for this. It goes in right here. It's a little tricky to get it in, but it looks like it's going to fit and look good. We made this tank especially for this motor and to fit into this area. We put in all the baffles. We made it look kind of old school but new. We created all the mounts and stuff to keep all the structure going on down there good. And we're going to stick it in, see what it looks like. Pretty much where it's going to be. The mounts and stuff are ready to go, and we'll get it plumbed up and should be good. The tank took like 2 days, and it's a bit of drawing, a bit of fabrication, a bit of thinking, and there it is. The other thing we had to do with this LS9, in the stock format, the LS9 Alternator sits on top of the motor, and we had to move the alternator down, and we had to bring the AC pump closer to the engine because it was catching the chassis in the stock configuration. I can just show you what we did there. As I said, we moved the AC pump closer to the engine, and we catted up a bracket, and what we had to do was put in a tensioner down here, and we catted up another bracket, and we used a smaller Japanese alternator, and also with a tensioner wheel there to give it a good belt surface. So you got the AC downstairs and the alternator downstairs, and it's clear of everything, and it makes the engine bay look nicer and cleaner. These headers are 1 inch and 7/8, and they go up to 2 inch, and then they go into a 3.5 inch collector, and quite tricky to make, but they look like they're going to work just fine. In the next couple of days we're going to complete this intake. What we want to do here is install with the same tubing. We're going to take the air filter down, and we're going to put a shield behind the radiator so that we can get cool air into the engine at all times, and we can keep the water off the air filter. This engine has got real big vent holes, and so we're going to make an intake, put the filter down, and cover everything up and shield it so that it gets cold air, and it doesn't matter if it gets rained on, you know. After that, we're going to complete the side pipes. The side pipes that are on the vehicle now come with the vehicle, but doing the LS9 motor, it needs a whole lot more breathing space, and we've increased the size, and we're going to change the look a little bit. We're going to do brushed stainless and brushed stainless and polished stainless, just give it something different. That's what's coming up next.